Hi everyone. So in this video, we're gonna learn how you can compress or decrease the size of any file, either it's zip folder, image, PDF, or any file you want to decrease the size easily without losing the quality of your product. We'll learn that it's very easy and free. I'll show you properly step by step how you can do that, and I will show you actually. So let me show you the link first, and then I will show you how to do that. So we have this PDF we're gonna do. As you can see here, 2.11 MB. It's quite small, but I will show you. So that's the link. Compress to go. I'll copy that, come to my browser, and just enter. So here we have a couple of options: compress image, video, any the file you like. So let's start from PDF. So open that, choose the file. I'm gonna choose the file. I think you can drag and drop as well. So select that new PDF, open that, and now so here is the main thing. Here it shows you a couple of options: basic compression, medium file size, and high quality. Strong compression, a small file size, and medium quality. So it depends what do you prefer. So I, as you can see by default, is basic compression, which is good, and quality wise it will not decrease your quality really badly. So I will go with this one and then start compressing now. Because the file was small, that was quick. I'm gonna click on download now. As you can see it's down. So let's go here and see the difference. So this file is 2.11 MB megabytes, and let's try this one is 114 kilobytes KB. So yeah, as you can see, there's a huge compression, which is really good. So let's try with other file. Go back fully and select from here. Let's compress video. I have to go in video section, choose video. This one. I was doing basically in the PDF section. That's why it's not compressing. Okay, here as you can see, the options we have are different. So start now. As you can see, yeah, it's gonna download in video now. Okay, as you can see, yeah. So the size for this one is 1.04 MB, and this one is okay, let's see the difference. 133 MB, and oh yeah, okay, this one is compressed now. As you can see, this one is 1.33 MB, and this one is 1.04 MB. Anyway, I hope you understand the logic. So just visit this website, and there are a couple of options: compress PNG, JPG, image, any image, compress video, zip file, create a zip file. So whichever you like, you can select that and try with that. Let me one more time try with zip file again. So zip convert file to, oh sorry, this one is to, I have to select the file which is not in zip folder, like this one. Okay, open that. This one is to create a zip folder and compress that. As you can see, select zip or whichever you like. You can start. It's gonna compress into zip. As you can see, download now. So it's gonna compress my file into zip, as you can see here. So I hope you like this video and give this a try. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more videos like that. Thank you.